Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock a tab in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheet. Here we have two tabs, 2024 and 2025. We don't want anyone editing the text in the 2025 tab. So go next to the name of the tab, click the downward arrow and select Protect Sheet. We are going to protect the sheet and set permission. Here you can either choose to show a warning when editing this range or restrict who can edit this range. If you have multiple people associated with the sheet, you can assign them permission to edit, or you can simply select only you, so only you can edit this sheet. Click Done to save the changes. Now this sheet is protected from anyone else editing it. It's essentially locked. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.